Welcome guys, today in this video I'll show you how to hack any social media account. In this video we'll use a method known as phishing, and in this tutorial we'll be using Kali Linux. Make sure you get your Kali Linux running and follow me step by step to hack any social media account. But first, we need to know the meaning of phishing. So what is phishing? Phishing is a type of cyber attack where attackers try to trick individuals into revealing sensitive information such as passwords, credit card numbers, personal data, etc. First, you need to open your terminal. Now, we need to open our web browser. In this case, I'll use Firefox. Actually, there are two ways you can do this. You can either click on the web browser icon on the top right corner, or you can type Firefox in the terminal just like me. This will launch the Firefox web browser immediately. Now, if you have your web browser opened, the first thing you need to do is to open a new tab. Now, on the address bar, type in Zphisher GitHub and press enter. Now, scroll down and click on this exact link. But don't worry, I'll leave the link down below. Next, you'll have to scroll down until you find the installation. We'll need to copy and paste these commands in our terminal to get this script onto our Kali Linux. Copy the first link and head back to your terminal. We'll have to open a new terminal for this. On your newly opened terminal, paste it and hit enter. As you can see, I already have this directory on my system, so I'll move on to the second one. But you'll have something a little bit different, which is absolutely okay since this is your first time getting this on your system. Go back to copy the second link. Now head back to your terminal and paste it. Make sure to hit enter. As you can see, I'm now in the Zphisher directory. Finally copy and paste the last link and press enter. Honestly, I forgot to tell you to make sure you're connected to the internet. Anyway, so these are a list of social media websites you can hack to gain access of the victim's account. It's a lot, but in this video we'll just focus about gaining access to your victim's Facebook account. Hey guys, if you've enjoyed this video to this point, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. These videos take quite a lot of time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. On this channel, I upload videos about ethical hacking and hacking documentaries like famous hacks, hackers and groups, criminal hacking, and many more. From this point, it's quite simple here. Just type in the number associated with what you want to do. Here, I choose option 1 because it's associated with Facebook. There are quite a couple of options you can choose from, but I'll keep things simple. Here, you're going to go with the traditional login page, which is the option 1. Type that and hit enter. This will take us to the next step in which we can choose from these 3 options, but like I said, I'll keep things simple, so I'll go with the first option. Now it's asking if we want a custom port, which we'll choose no, so type the letter N and hit enter. Now as you can see, Zphisher just created us a link we can share to our target, and once our target clicks on this link, it will direct them to the website to intended to take them, and once they enter their details, we can capture it. There are a couple of ways you can do to make this link look genuine, but that will be in another video. Now to test this link, copy it and paste it in your web browser. As you can see, this link directed us to Facebook. I'll just type something randomly. You'll see how it will capture the username and password. So now I'll just head back to the terminal and you'll see the magic. As you can see, it captured the username and password. So this is how you can hack someone's social media account. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos.